Very good afternoon to everyone. Hope all doing well. Right? Then once again I am requesting you, please like the videos. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Right? Like చేయండి వీడియోని, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ఛానల్ని. ఇది ఎవ్రీ టైం రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాను. రిక్వెస్ట్ వీడియోకి లైక్ చేసేది ఒకరు ఉంటే తర్వాత ఏం చేయలేదు. సో ప్లీజ్ like the videos, share the channel and subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed. Right? So because of I already told you that gives encouragement to me. Please encourage me by liking, by sharing and by subscribing my channel, and please watch the complete videos also. Guys, instead of wasting of time, directly come to the class. Today we are going to discuss about how do batteries generate electricity. How do batteries generate electricity? Right? As we know, maybe in the class 6th or class 7th, we have conducted some simple circuit experiments by using batteries, cells, connecting wires, LED or whatever. Then coming to the, but we didn't discuss anything how that electrical energy generated in the cells or the batteries. We conducted, right? If you maybe participated in any science exhibitions or science activities, also may use you cell or a battery, but you don't know how that energy or electricity is produced, right? So let us discuss in this topic how do batteries generate electricity. Before that, let us know its history behind how these batteries or the cells are discovered or invented. As we know, even the very longer years, around 1780s, right? And before people know how to generate the electricity, from very long years onwards, by burning coal we are generated electricity. Still now also generating electricity by burning coal in thermal power station, right? So in those times many scientists were discussed and thought how to we generate electricity and how to we store that electricity for various purposes, right? So many scientists were trying to generate electricity by using different methods. Among them, one of the scientists called Louis Galvani, an Italian scientist. Louis Galvani is in Europe. So conducted a simple experimental activity in the year of 1780. So he took legs of dead frog. He took legs of dead frog. So for example, took the legs of dead frog. Just imagine that. Just imagine that, not in diagram. Just see legs of dead frog. The legs of dead frog are twisted with a metallic wire. He took the legs of dead frog and he twisted the legs of dead frog with a metallic wire like copper or iron. He twisted the metallic wire. He twisted the legs of dead frog with a metallic wire. When he twisted, he observed that there is a sudden life happened in the frog. Actually, the frog was died, but when he twisted the legs of dead frog by using a metallic wire, he observed that there is a sudden life happened in the body or inside in the dead frog. So, based on his observation, he proposed that he stated that every living organism contains, means every animal, just like every living organism contains a little amount of electricity inside our body, inside the body. That electricity is called biological electricity. It is called biological electricity or animal electricity. Animal electricity. So the statement which was given by given by Louis Galvani created sensation in the Europe. So nowadays we can call this viral. The statement become viral in those times around the Europe. Many scientists are tried to know how this electricity generated or not. So he proposed that the biological electricity or animal electricity. After some years, after 20 years or after many years, in the year of 1800, Alexander Volta, the another scientist from Europe, tried the other scientist, Alexander Volta. Alexander Volta also conducted the same experiment by using legs of dead frog, but he did not observe any such movement in the dead frog. So after conducting many times, after he twisted the legs of dead frog with different kinds of metallic wires, he concluded that there is no relationship, means there is no animal contain electricity inside their body. Instead of legs of dead frog, he took some other chemicals, some types of solutions and chemicals, acids and metallic wires. He generated electricity. So Alexander Volta invented a first cell. Alexander Volta invented a first cell. So by using, so he took dilute sulfuric acid in a container, and he inserted two different metallic wires or different metallic rods. One is zinc and another one is a copper. Then due to some chemical reaction between this dilute hydrochloric acid and the metals, then electricity is generated. So this is the small history behind how the cell or the battery was invented. So that's why in the honor for Alexander Volta, the term voltage electricity we are using for the honor of Volta. Know the power, know the potential difference, we can call it as a potential difference. Or sometimes you can say that the power of current is voltage, high voltage of current, low voltage of current. So the term voltage is honor for the great scientist we can call Alexander Volta, because he was the first person who invented the cell or battery by using acids and metallic mixture. So no animal or no living organism contains electricity, no biological electricity, no animal electricity. So he proposed that by taking different experiments with the legs of electron, he didn't observe any movement inside the body, but Louis Galvani stated that every living organism contains some electricity inside. That electricity we can call as the biological electricity. And Alexander Volta take different kinds of different types of solutions. He arranged one Volta file. So here he took different metal plates, different metal plates. We arrange the metal plates like this. One wire is given here, and the other one is given like this. In between the plates, so one is copper, then another one is the zinc. One is the copper, another one is the zinc, then another one is the copper, then the other one is the zinc. In this way, he arranged the metallic plates. In between, he placed salt solution. The salt solution. Salt solution or he soaked. He placed a paper which is soaked in salt water. So here this is called as a Volta pipe, zinc, copper and sodium chloride. So Volta pipe. So among a brief introduction or how the cell or the battery cell was made. So first the Louis Galvani. So Louis Galvani, based on legs of dead frog activity, experimental biological electricity or animal electricity. So after old by using metals and some types of solutions, so he invented a cell. This is about a brief introduction or the story about cell. Then next we will discuss about how these batteries are generate electricity.